This Airsoft GI TV episode is brought to you in part by G&G Armament, Echo One USA, and TSD Airsoft.
Alright, there's Tim with his sit-down info again.
Can I have a long one?
Yes, you go first.
Okay, so here's Bob. He claims he'll get an X kill today, Nerf X.
I'm going to get one.
Nerf kill! Nerf kill!
Alright, Bob. I got 2 X kills on camera. This is the first game of the night.
Yeah, I got 2 axe skills on memory right up here. I'm so excited. And what makes me feel better about it is that I screamed during both of them. So that really adds extra emphasis on who I killed. Where'd it go? Right there.
Oh, I don't look at the camera.
I gotta tell you, every time I run and try and get someone from an axe thing, I go around cover and they're not there, and that's the scary part, so I gotta go running after them. It's really worth it when you get them.
public service announcement is brought to you by Airsoft GI and Condor Outdoor. What's up, GI TV? This is just a quick reminder to always have fun when you're playing Airsoft, but be safe, use common sense, and always follow the law. Don't take your Airsoft guns out in public, especially not to school. You don't want to be the one that gets Airsoft banned for everybody now, do you? Airsoft GI TV is brought to you in part by Sistema, Mad Bull Airsoft, and JBU Airsoft.